I tried to crack my friend's Wi-Fi on a 3-year-old laptop, and I failed miserably. At the time, I was a university student just started my journey in cybersecurity, while my knowledge was still very limited, and my friends just got their new Wi-Fi, which they bought, and they were paying for it. Of course, they didn't want to share it with me, and I was upset with that. My only intention was to learn something during my evenings in my dormitory, and I also wanted to play some online games. At the time, my laptop was really bad. I needed a reliable Wi-Fi connection. Also for downloading different stuff, learning. And one option was to buy a 3G USB dongle, expensive and painfully slow. And the other one was getting a friend's Wi-Fi password, which they were not sharing. And we all were studying cybersecurity. They were joking about nobody can hack their Wi-Fi. I was like, okay, challenge accepted. I had Windows. I thought that nobody's using Windows for hacking. I only knew that you can get yourself a Linux distributive and start hacking. So I went to the library and I found the Backtrack R3 Linux distro. It was mentioned everywhere, and Aircrack and G Suite was mentioned along. So I picked the Backtrack R3, I downloaded it and put it on my flash drive and made a live USB, and I felt ready to hack. And I went back to the dormitory. I wrote all of the commands manually on a piece of paper. It was evening, I was doing some stuff, capturing packets. My main intention was to get myself a proper handshake, and that handshake was the main thing that you need in order to hack Wi-Fi. You then brute force it, and you can get a password for Wi-Fi. So it was almost close to getting everything I need, but unfortunately the password was so good, or maybe my word list was so bad, I don't know, and I didn't see that victory screen. Of course you would say, why did you choose that distro? And I will be honest with you, there were so many different options like Pantoo, Blackbox based on Ubuntu, Wi-Fi Slacks, Blackbuntu. That's just crazy amount of stuff, but a lot of articles were covering Backtrack. Currently, it's Kali Linux. And with that being said, there are so many different options right now, and I would still stick to something that is really well written and a lot of things you can find on the internet about. And I would say go and pick Kali Linux if you're just starting out, and especially if you have ARM processor. If you're not new in the cybersecurity space and you have MD64, then go with Paradise, as it has some fresh look and some custom tools. Always start with virtual machine approach. Learn the basics, understand what tools you need and how everything works, and get comfortable, and change the distro if you want. Choosing the right distro is only the first step. What matters most is understanding how the tools work, not just clicking ahead. If you like this story and want more hands-on tutorials, hit subscribe, smash the like button, and let me know in the comments which distro you're trying first.